In Axure RP 10, in the Pages pane, you can see folders and pages organized hierarchically. There are many ways to add a page. One is to click the Add button on the Page pane to add a new page below the selected page. After adding, you can directly edit the name of the new page. The second is to right-click on the page. Under the Add option, you can choose to add a new page above or below, or add a child page. If you choose to add a child page, you can add a new page below the selected page. To delete a page, press the Delete key, or right-click a page and select Delete. To rename a page, select it and click to rename it. Alternatively, right-click and select Rename. To search for a page or folder, click the Search button on the pane and enter the content you want to search for. To reorder a page, drag it to the desired location. You can change the hierarchy of the page by dragging. When dragging, the dot at the front of the page represents its destination location. Release the mouse to reorder. If you want to duplicate a page, select a page, press Ctrl or Command+C, and then press Ctrl or Command+V. You can also right-click on the page you want to copy and select Page under the Duplicate option to duplicate the page. If you choose to duplicate a branch, both the selected page and its child pages will be duplicated. The operation of a folder is similar to that of a page. Click the Add Folder icon on the pane to add a new folder. You can also reorder folders by dragging and dropping them.